Hello everyone, this is our platform called AIMED. AIMED records a doctor-patient consultation in English code mix and then it will transcribe it with speaker diarization using Sarvam APIs, and it will then finally pass that transcription to Claude to extract a very structured medical record and also store it. It also forces the doctor to verify very high risk facts. The doctor still is a human in the loop. Now let me just briefly walk you through our platform. We have provided two test credentials for the testing, and let me add the one for doctor. Yes, and the test OTP is as follows. This will allow us to get into our platform. So this is our platform where we can see all the consults that were performed, and I can also select the date to see any specific consultation. And in the all patients section, I can also see all of my patients. For example, this is Abhishek. Now let me give you a brief demo of our transcribing pipeline. So this is the interface of a doctor, and once I press on new consult, I can find my patients using their mobile numbers. So once I press on find, I can see that a patient has been fetched. So once I click on open recorder, the transcribing would start. So let's begin.
Hi, how may I help you today?
Hello doctor, I've been having quite a lot of headache since the past few days. I think it's a migraine.
And where exactly are you feeling the pain in your head?
It's mostly in the front part of my head, doctor.
Okay, and have you tried any medications like ibuprofen?
I haven't tried anything yet. What do you suggest?
I suggest that today you go back home and take up ibuprofen, and just one after your meals. And if the pain does not subside by tomorrow, come back for an appointment.
Sure, doctor. Thank you.
No problem.
So as you can see, that was our entire transcribing demo. And what happens next is the audio is uploaded into our backend, and once that happens, we are using the Sarvam APIs to transcribe our entire recording into a mix of Hindi and English. And after that, we pass on the entire transcription to Claude to extract all the key medical facts in the conversation. And as you can see, once that is done, we see an entire interface of the transcription and all the assessments that Claude has performed. And once that is done, we see here that in the interface we see the entire transcript of our conversation, and then on the right hand side we see all the assessment that Claude has performed, and the doctor can then approve or edit or reject Claude's suggestions. So here it states that the patient suspects migraine as the cause of headache. I think that's quite obvious, so let me just approve that. And there's chief complaint, the history of past illness, and there's medication as well. So let me quickly approve everything. And there's also a section for follow-up where Claude has suggested that patient is advised to return for an appointment tomorrow if pain does not subside. So once I've approved all the facts, I can approve and finalize, and then I can see that a recording has been finalized. And here you can see the entire overview of the conversation, the follow-up questions, the patient-friendly summary and stuff. Also in the platform for patients, you can also see your personal consultations that were done. So for example, this was the one that was just done, and if I click on it, it will also show the nice similar summary in the patients platform. So that was all for our demo. Thank you.